Hello my lovely friends, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. I know I'm looking a bit bland today because I'm going to do a demo and a review of the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This mascara has been a rage and I'll be talking about it and giving you my thoughts on this. I know I am a bit late in the bandwagon, but better late than never. So I'll be sharing everything what I feel about this mascara and you'll get to see how it actually works on the lashes. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now with the introduction done, let's get started. Now before I get into the video, please excuse the background noises and disclaimer right away. There will be cooking now noises, people talking, so I can't handle everybody, right? I can't request them to keep their work at bay. So please ignore all the background noises and we'll get right into the video. So before I talk about this, I'll just quickly say the kind of mascara I enjoy. I'm generally a person who enjoys washable mascara because waterproof mascaras take a toll on your lashes. They are a bit difficult to remove despite using oil-based micellar water or any other format of makeup removing solution that you want to apply. These are always difficult to remove. So I generally steer clear of waterproof mascaras. I only extend my hands towards washable mascaras, and I have been using Maybelline mascaras only in my life before this channel happened. And I have seen many people go gaga about this one, and it was time that I thought, okay, let me see what the hype is about, because I have heard a great deal about waterproof mascaras but was never interested enough to try it. But this one, even people whose eyelashes don't show on camera, they also mentioned that this actually helps your lashes be visible on camera. I wanted to give this a fair chance, that is why I haven't worn any eyeliner or kajal for that matter, so that this can be seen on camera how good or how bad it fares. We'll get into the demo right away. So I'll be prepping my lashes a bit before I apply the coats of mascara, and I'm not going to do anything super special. I'll be just giving my eyelashes a good curl. So I'll be using this Color Bar lash curler, and I will be giving my lashes a good curl so that when I apply it, it can get help that already my lashes are curled. So that is what I'm trying to do. Let's see how it works. I'll come close so that you can see. I have already, since curled it up, there is already a bit difference. This is curled and this is not. So I hope this helps the mascara to show up better, but we'll see. So with the with the lash curling done, let's get into the mascara. If you look at the wand, this is how the wand looks like. It's quite thick and dense, so expected it will give ample volume, but what I'm looking for is not only volume but a good curl so that it shows up on camera. So let's start. So this is one coat of it. Oops. And this is how it is looking like. So this is with mascara, this is without mascara. So what I feel is this definitely shows up, at least in person I can see, but it doesn't separate my lashes that much as I would like it to be. I don't know whether you're able to see it or not, but this is with one coat and no coats at all. So I'll quickly do the lower lash line for this. So this is how the eye look after application, and this one has got nothing yet. There is a difference, of course, if you can see. I'll just take my eyes up. There is definitely difference. I can understand because I barely see this amount of effect in with a mascara in any other, but I would have liked it better if it could separate my lashes well, like it could give me a nice lift, but it is not separating my lashes as I would have loved it to do. Okay, so here I am after the application of both the lashes. What I feel is they definitely give a nice view, but if you see, I'll be honest, if you see, my lashes on the left eye look a bit clumpy. So it's not a bad mascara at all. I like it. It's definitely, because in person it shows my lashes beautifully, but on camera I am not very sure how much it is showing, but in person it is nice. But my eyelashes generally don't stick long enough to stay curled, so that is the problem that my lashes have. In this situation, what this mascara did, it looks beautiful in person. It looks a bit clumpy because, like I said, it doesn't separate the lashes as I want or I expect a mascara to do. I hardly face this issue with Maybelline one, but I faced this with this one. It is a good mascara because it is showing in person better than any Maybelline mascara that I have used. But I won't lie about the fact that it is not giving me that kind of a look which I have seen other YouTubers, beauty gurus show when they apply it on their lashes. Maybe I need to keep the lash curler maybe longer on my lashes so that it is visible, because what I see on camera is not super visible that it is the mascara is on. But if you can see how the effect of the mascara is, because if I lift my eyes, you can see how beautifully it has coated, and I like the effect in person. But like any mascara, this is not showing up great on camera for me. So that is personal, and that is somewhere my lashes have the issue. So I am not blaming the mascara for that. But nonetheless, if I look at it in person, it is actually very beautiful, and I actually understand why people have been raving a lot about this mascara. I mean, without any eyeliner or kajal, this looks good, very good in person. I mean, I can wear this and go to any casual event, and without eyeliner or kajal, this will look good. And at least people who have issues like my eyelashes, which doesn't show up great on camera, this can be your friend, truly, and it's worth every penny. This one is in the variant Blackest Black. I guess that is the only variant available, but it's written, that's why I thought I'll mention it. And you get a 7.6 ml of product here, for which you pay rupees 799. That is the retail price for it, but definitely on various deals, and you can get a great discount up to, I purchased this something around, I guess 499 or 599. I didn't pay full price. I don't even like purchasing anything on full price unless I am absolutely in love with that. Then I ignore the price point completely and go ahead and purchase it. Yeah, so it's not, I don't know whether it's showing much on camera. You can tell me in the comment section and let me know how you realize that it's having a good effect on the lashes. You can tell me that, because what I see, I can't make out much, but in person it is very pretty. So definitely this is a great yay from my side, although it doesn't show on camera. If it doesn't show on camera, in person it's just beautiful. So that's it for today. I will, before I wrap up, actually I want to talk about the lipstick shade. In case you are wondering what I am wearing, I am wearing the K Beauty Playback shade. This is the crayon version of it which I am wearing. It's a very beautiful, comfortable nude shade. I love this color a lot, and I thought I'm going all nude with the makeup, so I'll stick to the theme altogether. So that is why I use this one. So I just thought of sharing, because you asked this question in the comments section, and by that time I have forgotten what all I applied that day. So yes, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this my version of review for the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big like, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section and let me know how you like this mascara review. I have planned to review the new mascara launched by Nykaa as well. That will come soon as well. So if you are interested in mascara reviews and all, stay tuned for that, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this. And before you leave this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. You can also follow me on various social media platforms. All the details are available in the description box below and at the end of the video. So make sure you check those out, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.